You know he finna reach for it.
I'm filming. Go ahead. Let him grab it.
Look what Auntie Mo bought you.
Yay! Eat it up. Eat it up.
A big gargantuan
Eat it up.
cupcake. What is it? Is it cookies? He's like, I don't know, but it tastes good. Dion, you missing it.
He's like, uh-oh. Well, you said no birthday cakes.
You gotta dig in.
Not a birthday cake.
Deep.
Right. Get it.
Look.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
I clean his hands too much. He like, what is this? You have to eat it. He was tearing that frosting up. So much tearing that frosting up on that pancake. He is so not amused. You are so not amused. Here,
okay.
Get some cupcake. Here, look. Don't throw it on the floor. I just mopped. Like, I don't know what to do with this.
It's huge.
Look, it's cupcake.
All right.
Say yummy. Say I made it a year. Is it good?
Depression.
Is it good? Okay. That's totally because I wanted to say it was too much. He like, I don't know what to do with this.
All right. All right.